yun, in this video, I will show you how to create a bat file now. Yan. So in this first, we were doing this create a bat file that performs the following task. Now generate a main directory name, activity, short name in the user's documents folder. Yan. If the directory exists, delete it first included before decreating. So gawa muna tayo. I have this script guys now. So first delete. Ito, gagawa muna tayo ng documents. So, nagpad tayo. Yan. Then, save muna natin to. Then, lagyan natin create dot bat user, and then sa user max, then save. Then next is dito magka-create tayo ng folder inside the activity, the folder na activity kawagtan. Mag-create tayo ng folder doon sa loob ng activity kawagtan. Ayan. Then so inside the activity kawagtan na folder is mag-create tayo ng panibagong folder, which is 3 folder guys na may pangalan na prelim, midterm, finals. Yan. Then the attribute ng prelim, midterm, and finals. This could be the ayan. Then inside the folder ng prelim, midterm, finals, this will show guys sa loob ng kumbaga sa loob ng prelim folder ng prelim, magpapakita tong this is all my activity in prelim. Yan. Ganon din sa midterm at finals. Then post natin. Yan. Successfully. Yan. Then tignan natin dun sa max guys. Yan, nag-create na siya ng bat file. So try natin to. Yan. Wait lang. So dapat dito guys pag pinindot natin yung create, dapat mag-create siya ng panibagong folder dito. So try natin. Wait lang. Yan, save. Di ba pala nakasave yun? Yan, successfully refresh. Now press any key to continue, and then tingnan natin kung meron na. Yan, yun. Activity countdown. So inside the finals, meron tayong file Yan. So this is all my activity in finals. So ito yun siya. So ito yun siya, Inside nitong folder na to, pag pinindot nyo, makikita nyo itong file na to. Yan. Then next, create tayo ng ito siya. Inside. So next is create tayo ng operation guys, So yung ginawa natin is magkakasama na yung ito guys, magkakasama na sila dun guys, Then next na gagawin natin is yung number 4, replace operation. Then replace operation. So yan. So, save muna natin. Ayan, gumawa tayo ng bat file. Replace that bat. Then, save. Then, we're copying the script, guys, no? So, sabi dito, set prelim file user profile. Prelim. Ayan. Then, yan, ito yung call process, no? I-call niya yung prelim, midterm, tsaka finals. Yung file ng midterm, tsaka finals, tsaka prelim. I-call niya, i-process niya to, guys, no? Yan, dyan niya i-process. And then, pause. And then, exit. Yan. Tapos mag-exit siya dun. Then, we're gonna copy this one. That. Yan. So, ibig sabihin, if exist file, pag nag-exist siya, no? Yan, line activity task equal line. So kapag nag-exist siya, pag pinasok nyo, pag magre-replace ka, magpapakita tong edited by Joshua o Cogdan, ganun. Tapos may date and time siya. Yan. So kapag hindi siya nag-exist, syempre hindi yung magpapakita. Pero pag nag-exist siya, magpapakita to. Ito. So try natin siya, guys, no? Yan. Punta tayo dun sa kanina. So itong create lang yung meron. So dinagdagan natin siya ng replace. So try natin to. Yan. Yan, na-replace siya, no? So tignan naman natin doon sa ginawa nating bat file. Yan. So dito inside the activity countdown, pag pinindot nyo tong prelim, yan, may magpapakita na edited, guys, no? Yan yung siya. Edited by Joshua Cogdan and the date and time kung kailan siya inedit. Yan. Yan. So next one is tignan muna natin dito sa midterm kung meron. Yan. Meron siya, and then sa finals. Yan, meron din. So last na gagawin natin is yung delete, guys, no? Yan. So meron na tayong create, replace, no? Replace. Yan. So last so ito yung nagawa na natin. Yung 1, 2, 3 at saka 4. So last na gagawin natin is yung remove operation. So in remove operation, check if the files of folder contains any files larger than 50 bytes. So if so, delete only those files. So ibig sabihin, pag mas malaki daw sa 50 bytes, ma-delete siya, pero pag mas less than 50 bytes siya, mag-stay siya, no? So try natin. Go. Documents. Where's my documents? Yan. So this is my script, no, sa remove operation. So this one, let's copy this. Kung na-delete natin yung notepad. Yan. So create tayo dito. Create tayo ng save muna natin. Lagay natin is remove that bat. Yan. Then we're copying this. So sabi dito, set the finals for. So ito yung magiging path ng folder natin. Finals folder natin, no? Yan. Gonna enter this, and then this initialize a flag to check for large. So ito yung magche-check kung large siya, no? Large or less. Yan. Check if the final folder. So, itong ano na to, i-check niya kung nag-exist yung final folder, no? Yan. Then this one, loop through all files in the folder. So, we're gonna paste this one. Yeah. And this one, i-check na kung yung file na is greater than 50 bytes, no? Yan. If no large files were found, delete the final folders. Yan. Kung walang large files daw na found is i-delete natin yung finals folder. So we gonna check this one. Pero pag may na found siya, so automatic na ma-delete yung final na folder, no? Yan. So we're gonna save this one. Then punta tayo dun sa map. Yan, may nag-create na tayong remove.bat. So we're gonna check the final folder. So dito, meron pa siyang nakalagay, no? So we're gonna remove it, no? Then we're gonna click the bat file para ma-remove siya. Then remove, we just click this one. Yan. Then punta tayo doon sa final folder. Yan, nawala na siya kasi na-remove na siya, no? So yon. Then that's my video, guys. So thank you.